Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings to our lecturer, Dr. Jo. So my teammate and I are going to present our project for the subject Intelligent Transportation System with the prime title Automatic Fare Collection System. My name is Anis.
My name is Ahmad Faiz.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Aziz Fidaus bin Hasnan.
Hello, Assalamualaikum, a very good day. My name is Nur Iqbal.
And hi, my name is Nurhanisa.
And together we will present our presentation. I will start the presentation first with the introduction. Next. Okay, so based on our personal understanding, an automated fare collection AFC system is a collection of components that automate the ticketing system of a public transportation network. So maybe group kami ni akan buat sistem ticketing yang will be used in any railway station or any necessary station. An automated fare collection system is usually the basis of integrated ticketing. And maybe ticketing kami ni kami akan buat paperless and more to point or token yang or also boleh pakai untuk phone to scan QR code. AFC ni is a big help to integrated fare management which benefits both operators and commuters for managing the ticket issued to the commuters of public transport network like railways. So our reference for our automated fare collection are AFC system replacement at Kelana Jaya, Ampang Line and Monorail Line. Kelana Jaya Line Station kita were supplied by the Torn Transit System, Ampang Line by Segelec France, Monorail by Omron. So kita akan tengok satu-satu and observe the system. Next slide.
Okay, here is our problem statement. Our problem statement that we got is from instruction that asked. So our problem statement is the University Tun Hussein Malaysia Industry Center of Excellence for Railway has established a laboratory for IP9 automatic fare collection system at the Utation Campus Pago. Okay, our TVN automatic gates, office ticket processor, session accounting computer and virtual central computer system were all handed to ICO area. Then the student must design the system and install it according to the technical specification. And the system are including station architecture and drawing, station component, how AFC work and drawing, ticket, office machine process and drawing figure, and lastly how AFC gates work and drawing. Next. So here is our objective. First is to understand the concept and technique to create automatic fare collection system. Next, to develop the system and installation based on the following technical requirement. Next, to improve efficiency of automatic fare collection system. And lastly, to design the system and install it according to the technical specification.
Yeah, hi. It's my turn now. So I will talk about station architecture. Okay, next. So as you can see here, mostly all of the station in Malaysia, because our research is based on Malaysia, terbahagi kepada 3 zon, which is general access, concourse dengan platform zone. So general access ni tempat di mana bas atau taxi atau grab akan turunkan penumpang, which means that dia gate lah, gate sebelum nak masuk station. Concourse tu tempat dia tengah-tengah lah, we could say in the middle of the station, di mana concourse ni ada retail shop, ada AFC Gate yang kita punya project tu, and ada macam help desk, so dia kat tengah-tengah. And then last is the zone yang ketiga after the AFC barrier, which is the platform zone, di mana platform zone ni boleh masuk lepas kita bayar tiket. So untuk penumpang naik kereta api. Okay, next. Okay, so this is mainly the overview of station architecture. Yang belah kiri tu we can see much more detail. They use IoT, which is Internet of Things, so it's much more modern. So yang kanan tu is a basic architecture lah. Okay, next. Okay, so this is a slightly detailed overview of our AFC Gate architecture in our station. So ni diagram ni kalau kita tengok dekat figure yang before yang ada 3 zone tadi, figure ni akan describe the AFC Gate barrier. Okay, so next.
Next, I will talk about the train stations component. Next, okay. The component of a train station that form of the KL Central Station. As you can see, there's a town hall, center hall. So that's mainly everything that is there. Is like a lot of shopping center or either others or the station itself. So integrated with it. And platform and arch canopy is where the train itself will be held, and the passenger will wait for the train's arrival. Platform local traffic is meaning is the train's traffic itself, so the traffic of people come and go. Traffic is just normal platform with people to wait and everything like that. Underpass of north and south is basically the underground walkway of the passenger and staff and everyone in the train station. Underpass is the same thing, and local traffic node is the traffic of the residents of the area, cars, bus, and anything like that. Next. Now, this is the side view of the station. So as you can see, the number one is a station building. So the station building is where all the controls center and everything that controls the train itself or anything like fire alarm system, safety and everything like that will be held there. Access platform is where the passenger will wait for the train and get in or get out of the train. Arch canopy is to protect the train itself from any weather or anything like that. And tunnel access is the use for passenger to get in, get out of the train by using a tunnel system.
Okay, untuk kami punya AFC system, how AFC works, usually AFC system will consist of the following component. First is fare media. AFC system originated with token or paper tickets. Ni dulu punya teknologi lah, and that was dispensed by the staff or from self-service vending machine. Lepas tu, these have generally been replaced with cards, token, coin or phone. Next is devices to read. These take numerous form, include a ticket office terminal, where a media holder can purchase a right to travel from staff in an office, or inquire as to the value and travel right associated with the media. For ticket vending machine, where a media holder can purchase a right to travel from a self-service machine or inquire as to the value and travel rights associated with the media. Next is the fare gate, often used in the train station, so a media holder can gain access to the peak area where travel services are provided. And then standalone validator, used to confirm that the media holds an appropriate travel right and to write the usage of the media onto the media for later verification. Also, an on-vehicle validator used by a media holder to confirm travel rights and board a vehicle like bus, train or tram. Next slide. Also, one of the component is the depot or station computers used to concentrate the data communication with devices in a station or bus depot. Next is back office, server and software to provide management and oversight of the AFC system. Usually includes fare management, media management, and also reporting. And lastly, the clearinghouse, or also known as central management system, which includes the clearing and settling of funds, common reporting, and apportionment of revenue between operators. Next. As you can see, all of the components are in the picture where it makes all the AFC works. Okay, next.
And now is ticket office, mission process, and drawing. Okay, as you can see here, the figure above is about flow for general ticket machine process, while the figure below is about ticket machine process that using card payment or maybe QR code scanner. The general ticket machine process that have input, process, and output. For input, which is at ticket kiosk, they have to select origin and destination, time of travel, and will ask user payment method. Then for process system database, it will need to choose for validate routes and times and validate payment. And lastly, for output, the passenger will get ticket and receipt. The time until train depart will be displayed and the change of card will return to the passenger. As for the figure below, they are not much different from for ticket machine process that using card payment. The difference is for this process, it have card reading system and authorization. Okay, next. Here is the flow chart for ticket office machine process. The passenger will start the session and then the TBM will ask for the tip info, and when the tip has been selected, the TBM will ask again for payment. If the passenger use card, it will ask for authorized card payment, then the passenger will get the ticket. And lastly, the TBM will show thank you, that mean the process is done.
Okay, next I will talk about the AFC gate system, how it works. Okay, before we talk how about the gate work, we must know what is AFC gates. AFC gate is an equipment which control the access of patrons from free area to paid area and vice versa according to business rule. It's usually made of stainless steel housing. Macam kita nampak dekat layout architecture tadi, dia divide between paid area dengan free area nak masuk ke kawasan platform. Kita, as we can see at the right side, the example of the AFC gate. So how AFC gate works, it is controllable via interface connection to AFC control system. On receiving a signal from the AFC control system or remote control, the flap leaves open. If an unauthorized person tries to tailgate or attempts to enter from the opposite direction, the internal alarm system is activated. If within the preset timeout no passage has occurred, the flaps will close and reset. There are also a few types of gate, which is entry, exit, bidirectional, normal, hybrid, or wide. Okay, next is our discussion. Okay, for our discussion, we will discuss about the value added of AFC Gates collection feature. The first one is payment for parking. Number 2 is micro payment for retail purchase. Number 3 is identify the verification and attendance record. And finally, rich experience and technology. So we also have the benefit of automatic fare collection system. It is faster transaction, reducing in-ticketing costs, higher revenue collection, provision of real-time ridership data, and ability to offer flexible fare policies. Apa ni?
Okay, so as for the conclusion, the AFC system mainly based on the concept of automation and efficiency that comprehends station architecture design, the placement of the gate, ticketing machine, and the overall system of the ticketing itself towards more commuter or patrons friendly system. The installation of AFC system also use and implement basic requirements and specifications such as the integration of various functionalities of process control, monitoring and maintenance of various operations needed throughout the process of issuing, distribution, sale, and validation of transport tickets. Stations that implement AFC system will prove to be more efficient and time-friendly compared to traditional ticketing system, resulting in a more user and eco-friendly station. Last but not least, the AFC system also the method that developer of the train station used to lean more towards the Industrial Revolution 4.0 that emphasize more on automation and the Internet of Things. So that's all from us. Thank you and have a good day.